to all. Here I am going to say a few lines about Independence Day. 15th August is a landmark day for India and all Indians. It was on this day in 1947 we got our independence from British who ruled our country for about 200 years. Independence Day is a day to remember our freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru and Sardar Patel. As free Indians, we are lucky to have freedom, expression and speech. However, this freedom should not be misused and we should all work together for our nation progress and make India a very prosperous country. मेरा बहुत महान है. जय हिंद.
Hi friends, I am Advaitri from 3rd A. I am going to make a Independence Day watch.
सारा जहां देख लिया, कहीं भी तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं है. 80 नहीं 100 दिन दुनिया घुमा है, नहीं कहीं तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं. मैं गाया जहां भी बस तेरी याद थी, जो मेरे साथ थी, मुझको तड़पाती रुलाती. सबसे प्यारी तेरी सूरत, प्यार है बस तेरा प्यार ही. माँ तुझे सलाम, माँ तुझे सलाम, मम्मा तुझे सलाम. वंदे मातरम.
Hey मेरा India, I love my India. Happy Independence Day. जय हिंद.
वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम.
Good morning everyone. I am Vaishnu from class 3A. Today I am going to sing a patriotic song. हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन. ओहो मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास. हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन. होगी शांति चारों ओर, होगी शांति चारों ओर, होगी शांति चारों ओर एक दिन. ओहो मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास. हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन. हम चलेंगे साथ साथ, डाले हाथों में हाथ. हम चलेंगे साथ साथ एक दिन. ओहो मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास. हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन. नहीं डर किसी का आज, नहीं डर किसी का आज, नहीं डर किसी का आज एक दिन. ओहो मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास. हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन. हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन. ओहो मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास. हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन. Thank you.
Freedom is never deed of any price. It is the breath of life. Once would a mom not pay for living? Striking words by the great Mahatma. Respected principal, beloved teachers and all my sublime audience. Happy Independence Day! Today, in front of you, with a small talk on this Independence Day. This day gives me immense pleasure and pride. This day marks the anniversary of national independence from the British Empire. On August 15th, 1947, India became independent from the British Empire. Following the independent movement led by Mahatma Gandhi and his message of non-violence resistance. The handover of power was overseen by Lord Mountbatten, the last viceroy of India. Jawaharlal Nehru became the first Prime Minister of India and raised the Indian national flag above the Lahore Gate of the Red Fort in Delhi in honor of the celebration. Jawaharlal Nehru delivered his bodacious speech stressed with destiny on the eve of this voice shout for the power of independence. At the stroke of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom. A moment comes which comes but rarely in history, when we step out from the old to new, when an age ends and when the soul of nation long suppressed find utterance. It is the long fitting that at the solemn moment we take pledge of dedication to the service of India and her people and still larger cause of humanity. Oh, what a breathtaking speech! On this moment, the cities and our hearts reflects the tricolors, nation of the nation flag, and the anthem can be heard from the different directions. Let us pay respect to all those martyrs who brought freedom to India. And let us salute the great soldiers for sacrificing themselves for motherland. Yes, thousand laid down their lives so that our country breathed this day, never ever forgot their sacrifice. Friends, today when the flag raised up in the air, let us join our hands and take an oath, carve a better future for our motherland. Today, when we are in this pandemic, let us unitedly work together following the government rules and keeping the sacrifice of our ancestors in mind, sincerely performing our duty and progress together for the growth and development of our country. Freedom in our mind, faith in the world, pride in our souls. Let us salute the nation on the Independence Day. Jai Hind.
श्यामलमातरं वन्दे मातरं शुभ्रज्योत्स्ना पुलकितयामिनी फुल्लकुसुमित द्रुमदलशोभिनी सुहासिनी सुमधुरभाषिणी सुहदा वरदा मातरं वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरं. Thank you.
वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरं सुजला सुफला मलयज शीतला सस्यश्यामलां मातरं वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरम्. शुभ्रज्योत्स्ना पुलकितयामिनी शुभ्रज्योत्स्ना पुलकितयामिनी फुल्लकुसुमित द्रुमदलशोभिनी सुहासिनी सुमधुरभाषिणी सुखदां वरदां मातरं वन्दे
Good morning to all, respected principal, teachers, and all my dear friends. I'm Anugrah from 3rd B. We are proud of our country. I love my India. Happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.
Good morning to all, respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. Let me wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Today we are celebrating 75th Independence Day on 15th August 1947. We got independence from British rule. We should celebrate this day with a great spirit. We should remember our great leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, and others. A peaceful life that we are living today is just because of their sacrifice. Let's all work together to make our country the best country in the world. I would like to say that we must be proud to be Indian. So let's celebrate today with great joy. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.